headed over to Virginia to go get some gold. Phone call yesterday from my buddy over there that buys timber. I get a lot of walnut off him, and he's a very large commercial log buyer. He buys tracts of timber. I am small fish when it comes to him, guys. I mean, I'm probably the smallest person he deals with, put it that way. Most of the people he deals with are other large sawmills up in Ohio and stuff like that. You know, I'm nothing to him as far as being a big customer. But he does do me some favors and finds me timber, and I sure do appreciate it. He's a good guy. But he called me yesterday, and after months and months of aggravating him to death about it, he found me some butternut. I am just tickled to death right now. He sent me that picture last night while I was sawing, and I just, man, I couldn't believe it. I've been trying to find butternut ever since we sawed up that butternut last summer. And if you didn't see that one, there's a link down below to that video. I sawed up some butternut for Curtis Buchanan. And as far as butternut goes, it's out of the walnut family. And some people, I've learned, call it white walnut in different parts of the country. And in other parts of the world, it's apparently pretty plentiful, but not around here. So I'm really grateful I'm finally going to get a hold of some more of them, because the last one wasn't even mine. It belonged to Curtis Buchanan. He just paid me to saw them for him. So these will be ours. I'm getting 3 of them. And they're around 16 inches on the diameter, he was thinking, on the average diameter, which isn't, you know, a really big log, but it's butternut, guys. You got to get it. You know, I'm just happy to find some. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but I'll take what I can get.